How to fix another installation is already in progress error on Windows. 1. Restart the Windows installer service. 2. End Windows installer process via WTM. 3. Disable Windows installer service and restart your PC. 4. Perform this cleanup. 5. Perform a clean boot. 6. Clear data in the default value at hkey_local_machine/software/Microsoft/Windows/installer/in progress or hkey_local_machine/software/Microsoft/Windows/current/version/installer. 7. Using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide, and reinstall Office. 8. Uninstall Java. Installer. 9. Re-register Windows installer. Commands, misiexec.exe. /unregister misiexec/regserver10. Create a new Windows user. 11. For Visual Studio 2015 users, delete pending file rename operations at hkey_local_machine/system/current control set/control/session manager.